I've suffered in silence. I've hid the pain, surrounded by gray clouds. I'm drowning in rain. Where has the hope gone? Who's stolen life's joy? I'm trying to find strength, but what is the point? I feel heartbroken. The wounds start to bleed. I patch up the gaping holes, but my blood still seeps. Gray clouds surround me, bringing the rain. I'm standing here drowning, again and again. I try to speak out, but my words must be quiet, because nobody hears me. I'm